Warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, northwestern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:26 p.m., 2 severe thunderstorms were located near Belvidere and over the Rockford Airport, moving east-southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sycamore, Baringo, Genoa, DeKalb, Lake, Indiana the Hills, Hunley, Hampshire, Cortland, Kirkland, Maple Grove, Davis Junction. Including the 839 between mile markers 110 and Interstate 90 between mile marker 48. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.